Yo, yo, do we have chat here? Where's the chat? Oh, here we go. Bazooka. What's up, fam? What about TikTok?
Howdy.
Howdy, Joshua Thomas. What's up, what's up? Okay. 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 We're good. Yeah, surely. Surely we're good here. Yeah, sweet. Okay, what's up? What's up, fam? Hope you like the new loading music. Shout out to Suno for that. Yeah, man, it's been 4 days since I streamed, and in those 4 days, a lot has happened. So we're just gonna try catch up on it, and also, actually, the first thing.
What do you think of Abacus AI? Seems
Yes.
like it can build multi-agents and hosts multiple LLM for $10.
Yes, get closeted. Great question. It seems really good. Yeah, Abacus AI. They actually reached out to me, and I will be doing another video for them. They have so many features, and you can even use like Claude Sonnet for a lot more usage than you could even through Anthropic's like basic plan for $10 a month. And they have artifacts, which is something I thought that you'd be missing out on if you use Abacus instead of Claude. But no, Chat LLM has artifacts as well. We can definitely
Flux
check that
Pro
out.
And 11 Labs.
Yes, and you get Flux Pro and 11 Labs and DALL-E 3. Seems like you get pretty much everything you could need through Chat LLM or Abacus AI.
They have a new search LLM feature now.
Oh, they have Search
Added
LLM.
today.
Oh shit. Okay, we're definitely gonna try that. I think the first thing that I wanted to do is next stream, I want to build, well, hopefully next stream, I don't want no promises. I want to build an app for a viewer, using AI tools, probably. And yeah, so I want to pick a lucky viewer to build their app. Build a multi-agent. What's a multi-agent? Like multiple agents working on something? I don't want to reinvent the wheel, but Codium, you wanna you want your app built? Yeah. So I'm gonna make a form right now, to take submissions for app ideas, and then I'll pick one, or we'll randomize one, and we'll build it. Me isn't good enough. All right, so let's see if Clickless can help us out here. I want to make a new Google form that takes ideas for me to create. These are software or automation ideas. All right, let's see. I think I'm running Llama 8B, Llama 3.1 8B. Let's see if we can create a new form. Oh no, I know it can't click this blank form button. It struggles with that on the Google Docs as well. So I'm gonna help it. I'm gonna click it. Let's see. Do we keep the session? Oh, we do. Okay. Let's see if it writes stuff. Software or automation idea for me. Great. Clicklist is almost doing this for me. Let's see. Gonna fill out the options. It's added more options.
Hi man, how you doing?
Yo, Brock. I'm doing well. How are you? Okay, we're gonna stop it there. Almost. Wait, there's no stop button, dude. Stop. That's definitely a bug. There's meant to be a stop button.
Love your streams, but don't always have time to watch them like now. Can I rewatch them anywhere?
Yes. You can watch all my past streams on youtube.com/@techfren/streams. They're all here. All of them. Pretty much all of them. I think I maybe unlisted like one of them, but yeah. youtube.com, find my channel, and then click the live tab. Alright, I'm going to create a form here to collect ideas for the stream. So techfren is building an app for free. Techfren free app building. Make it more snappy for the title. Hello, DevShah, what's up? And I'm going to say, I will build your app
YouTube? I mean,
idea
other
on stream.
stuff.
Do you have an income without YouTube? Yeah, I do tech consulting, and yeah, that's my main source of income. Yo, salam ostad. What's up, Alex? I'll build your app idea on stream. You get to keep rights to use the code and app however you want, provided I have access to the code. Well, we won't include that, but there could be a chance I use like a no-code tool. All right. Should we just have one or a couple questions? We'll get your like name or something. Wait, where's a short answer? Name, email, or
Damn, you are everywhere at the
ID.
same time.
Yes, we are on all platforms. Thank you. Yo, what's up, Brock? What am I doing? I'm gonna make a short thing to collect people's app or automation ideas, and I'm gonna build it for them for free, live on stream, and they get to keep the stuff, keep the code, or the rights to the code. Okay. There, that's it. Free custom app, I guess. Okay. Now, how do I get the link for
What
this?
was your major?
My major, that's a good question. The uni I went to didn't have majors, but my I got a Bachelor of Software Engineering. Do I have LangChain tutorials? No, I don't actually. I haven't ever used LangChain on a project. Bro, how do you get the link for this for other people? Or send, I guess. Is the... excellent. Send embedded HTML. Oh shit, can I put this on my website? Let's have a look. Yeah, I should probably... Oh yeah, by the way, my cursor finally ran out. So I think I'm gonna try use Aider this month exclusively and not use cursor.
Flow for the first time today and it's not
Are
bad.
you working in PC or
Good shit.
desktop?
This is my PC desktop. So both. Yeah, okay, so I have my website. Let's see if I can embed this form at the top. I will open, let's go VS Code. I probably should have just done this from the start instead of using terminal. Where's the... Oh wow, okay. There's like these small differences between cursor and VS Code. Okay, let's see if I can just like import the embed like just right here. Maybe under the image here. What happens? Because it's just an iframe, right? Oh, I didn't copy it. See what that looks like. Huh, that's pretty good. I might just include that. All right. Now this is somewhere where I would maybe use AI normally, but okay, we're using.
What are we doing today?
I also have Super Maven as my autocomplete, so I wonder how that would work. Yo, Bernard, we are probably going to be testing a bunch of AI tools as we normally do, but right now, just to start off, I'm going to be building a custom app for a viewer next stream probably. So I'm building this form where you can submit your app idea and I'll pick one of them and do them next stream. I just need to center a div. Let's see if Super Maven can center a div. How do you add a comment in? Center this iframe. Will this work? Wait, I don't know. Super Maven can't like edit code, right? It just auto completes. Okay. That's one cool thing about cursor's autocomplete is that it can edit code and suggest like changes at different lines and stuff, even like upper line. I also have Continue installed, so that's an open source kind of AI chat, although Control L seems to not work. I should probably fix that. Continue, add highlighted code to context. Still didn't seem to add it to context.
Have you used the chat feature with Super Maven?
The chat feature with Super Maven, true.
Cursor autocomplete?
No, I haven't, because you need to supply your OpenAI API key, which actually I did. Okay, no, I did. I think I did, but I removed it. The good thing about Continue is you can use pretty much any model you want, and Grok I'm going to use for free. I think I can get this done with Grok Llama 3.170B. Where is that? It doesn't have 3.170B. Oh, interesting. Oh, here we go. Llama 3.170B. I'm not sure. This doesn't look like it added this to context. I'm gonna check my keyboards. Set shortcuts. Continue. Add highlighted codes. Yeah, Control L. Control Shift L. Okay, Control Shift L worked.
Use Codium for autocomplete and generate
center
code.
this. Alright, I'm gonna say center this. You use Codium. Oh, nice. Is Codium free? I heard Codium gives you unlimited Sonnet if you pay. No, or maybe that was Cody. There's so many. Like one of them gives you unlimited Sonnet if you pay like $10. What's your experience with Codium, Habtamu? Okay, so Laman's given us a few options here: text align center, or we can use flex. I don't think the text align will work by itself. Maybe it will. All right, let's try it. We press play, but it says malformed. That's a bit of a shame. It couldn't paste it over it automatically. What am I working on today?
Codium has a new
Right.
PR-Agent Chrome extension now.
PR-Agent. That's pretty cool. You can have a look at that. But yeah, after I add this form, right. What the fuck? Okay. Yeah, I knew that wouldn't work. This one will though.
Is it paid? Terminally lazy.
Yeah, is the Chrome extension paid? I think so. It probably will be. Okay, that worked. techfren will build you a free custom app. Do you reckon we could style this? Can you overwrite the style in an iframe? Is that something?
Tabri. He is making a form to embed on his site to take ideas for an app that he will build.
Yes, that is exactly what I'm doing. Thank you for reminding me. Yeah, fuck it. We'll just leave it like this. Yes, so I am adding this to my website.
Codium is
So
free. You just need to sign up. Yo bro, how are you doing? The email I received says free for
okay,
the
this might take like
extension,
5-10
but
minutes.
I don't know.
I
don't
will
use
remind you
Codium.
guys. But in about 5-10 minutes, you can submit your idea on techfren.net, and I will pick an idea next stream to build for you. You get to keep the rights to use the code and app however you want. It's still not live. You can also message on my Discord, I guess, and I will add that to the list because I know Dim Sum already messaged one. Okay, we're done with that form. Let's have a look at, what did I say? We were going to look at, some people had some suggestions. Oh yes, Abacus AI. Let's have a look at Abacus. Let me move myself. Nice. Top of my head. Okay. Too much? No, we're good. Okay. I think I canceled my. The only one I'm paying for at the moment was GPT Plus, just to use their voice. Advanced voice. I needed Plus for the advanced voice. Oh, looks like I still have access to Chat LLM. That's awesome. Yo, Shrisha, I'm doing well. Codium says free extension. Okay. Let's put that in the, let's make a to-do list.
Why not 11 Labs for voice?
Great question. 11 Labs definitely has a great sounding voice. This is just the default, and it's free. I think it's just using Microsoft. It's like inbuilt operating system text to speech, and I agree. It sounds like pretty bad. Sounds like freaking 20 years old text to speech, but yeah, it just requires some work to get some better text to speech going, for sure. Codium PR-Agent. What was the other thing someone suggested? Not LangChain. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, maybe that was it. Okay. Chat LLM Teams by Abacus AI. So yeah, as Bazooka said, we have access to Flux and DALL-E 3 with Chat LLM Teams. So to access Flux or DALL-E 3, you just have to ask it to make an image, I'm pretty sure. So let's say image of, or draw a dragon, okay. Let's try to photorealistic image of a TEDx speaker in a blue hoodie. And I think, okay, it's using GPT-4o. Do I have to manually select Flux? No, I don't. Oh, search LLM. Oh, that's the thing. I remember you, was it, yeah, Bazooka, terminally lazy. Oh, you changed your name? um, you posted a screenshot? Oops. What happened to the picture here? You posted a screenshot of chat LLM, hey. Yeah, and there we go. We have the two images created from DALL-E and Flux.
It doesn't matter which provider you use.
Flux is really good with realism compared to DALL-E. Oh, maybe just DALL-E doesn't do realism very well. But yeah, Flux One Pro you get with Chat LLM. Yo, Da Burrito, good to see you, man. Good to see yo. Yeah, I want to try their artifacts as well. So do we have to be on Sonnet for that? I mean, I guess
starting to look outdated.
Guess you want solid. Yeah. Well, DALL-E is pretty old now. Like Flux is less than a couple months old. DALL-E has been around for ages. Yo, Joker, what's up? Cool. So you can have artifacts with other models, not just Sonnet. But I think you'd probably want to use Sonnet anyway. Let's say create a SaaS landing page for a service where AI automations and custom software is created for a pricing structure. I don't know. I didn't define a pricing structure. Yo, Joker, I'm going well.
Great to see you play around with the agent builder in chat.
Clouded, yeah, wants me to test the agent builder. Oh, okay, I didn't specify artifacts. Yeah, that happens with Claude as well. Okay, looks like it's just writing the code. I don't know. That could have worked, but we're just gonna create a new chat. Yeah, the TikTok, every time you speak, it's like a different voice. And unfortunately, everything else, all the other platforms, is just like kind of old Microsoft voice. Okay, use artifacts to create a SaaS landing page. Okay, looks like it gets the code anyway, so it could have been working before as well, before I cut it off. I'm gonna flip myself here. Oh, what is that? Oh, nice.
The AI agent builder is quite a bit more advanced than you'll see in most places. But
no, I haven't.
Have the AI engineer build it for you in Abacus. Terminally lazy, you leveled up to level 2.
You can have Abacus create a Landgraph engineer? Oh no, that was a different message. No, I haven't tried Landgraph to Burrito. I think someone else mentioned it this stream. I think it might have been terminally lazy. They said that it was really good. Okay, we have our... guess I'm probably a bit too zoomed in. We have our artifact here. It's... I don't know. Let me see, like, if I...
Tried it today. It's not too bad.
If I compare it to Claude's own artifacts. Let's see if it looks, because honestly this doesn't look very good at all. And I don't know if that's like this. It's gonna be the same if I ask the same thing for Claude. We're about to find out. And then yeah, then I'll do the agent builder. That definitely looks better. I think it renders nicer too here. We can try again. It won't let me submit the same thing again, interestingly. While that's loading, I think we can do the agent builder. So where do we get the agent builder again? Oh yeah, agents down here. Yeah, I created an agent before that could access my Google Drive. I thought that was pretty cool because you can set up data sets, document retrievers, sorry. And yeah, I have my test document retriever, which is connected to Google Drive, which is pretty cool. and you can specify like which folders or whatever in Google Drive. So I can chat to this
Hello from
agent.
Indonesia. What time now in Australia, bro?
Hey, it's 6:08 p.m. Welcome, Indonesian homie. And yeah, you can train models. Seems pretty cool. What other stuff can you do with the agents? We try the AI agent builder. I always like to try to
You can
see
use
if
a little robot in the bottom right.
yeah.
Tell it to do things and it
Get
does
the
it.
agent to read PDF, understand its contents, and then populate a Excel spreadsheet.
Okay. Would we even need an agent for that? You might just be able to do that.
What AF is this?
You might just be able to do that. Okay, no, it looks the same. The PDF and Excel thing through just the chat. This is Abacus AI's chat LLM, which combines all these models. They have search LLM as well, which is kind of like their answer to Perplexity. And yeah, they try to have every feature you want, and it's $10 per month. And I think you get more usage from Sonnet. Yeah, I think the populating Excel and reading PDFs can happen within the chat. Let's see. I want to do something more cool. 2 months free? Oh, that's pretty good.
First 2 months, that is.
First 2 months, yeah. Complex tasks like document generation and automation. Chatbot on your knowledge base. Okay. It'd be awesome if they had like a tool library, because like I want to make an email agent, but I'm not sure if that's possible. Search GPT by OpenAI? I don't think so, no. Data sets, feature groups, document retriever. All right, we can.
The AI engineer.
AI engineer, yes, good. Let's see. Can we create an agent that can read and send emails on my behalf? Let's see.
Might be part of a FG.
FG. Okay, it's writing its own code for it, it seems. So that's just the system prompt.
Feature group.
Feature
OpenAI
group.
loves to announce features then not release.
Bro, tell me about it. De burrito. Kind of the same with Google too. It's like a strategy. Hype people up but don't deliver on the hype. That's why I don't really give much of the hype attention anymore. Like I haven't done any content on like GPT-5 or Strawberry, because it's like, you know, what's the use if you can't use it? I think this is still processing, so we'll let it process.
We'll write the code and fill in the notebook.
Excellent. That's it. Yeah. So it could just write the code necessary to link with any tool, which would be really awesome. But also, I think a lot harder to actually execute on.
It will process for a while and keep trying and fixing itself.
Really? Oh, that's sick.
Is better than your unreleased product.
Exactly, Joker. All right, maybe we'll let this do its thing. While we move on to, what was the thing that someone suggested? I already forgot. Oh yeah, the Codium PR-Agent. Let's check that out. Codium AI's PR-Agent, an AI-powered tool for automated pull requests. Open source. Very nice, or it seems at least. So people have like GitHub pages, but it's not actually open source. But this looks like it is. Let's see how it works. Okay. PR-Agent Pro is a hosted version. Okay, so this is the paid one, I'd assume, but you can also just run it locally. Try it now.
Apache link license.
An Apache 2.0 license.
So open
okay.
source.
Nice. Try the GPT-4 agent public on your public GitHub
Before you start,
repository.
you have to give it your SSN and mother's maiden name.
Just mention Codium agent and add the desired command in any PR comment. Oh, sweet. So you can use it for free. Excellent. Let's try it out. I have many. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, it probably finished right now. If you're just joining or you missed out on the start of this stream, I'm going to be doing a special stream, probably next stream, or maybe, yeah, probably next stream. I'm going to be making a free app or automation for one lucky viewer. All you have to do is go to techfren.net and submit your idea here, and I will pick an idea next stream and develop it live on stream. So yeah, and you get to keep the rights to use the code however you want. This website, I actually used a whole bunch of different AI tools to make this. The first version was made with GPT Engineer. And then I think I used mostly Aider to do the rest. Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? I like the style. It's pretty easy to get this style. You just ask for like Matrix or Digital Rain.
If you have time.
Replit agent, yeah, that is also something that's been getting a lot of attention recently. I think it's really cool because it would, since it's on Replit, it probably can do a lot of the hosting stuff that you couldn't get if you use just one of those front end tools. But I want to set up Codium agent. Looks like it'll do.
Pieces OS/pieces for developers. Pretty neat.
I have not. What is pieces? Oh shit, look what? I'm trying to pin. Okay. Yeah. Let's kick off. I want to kick off a Codium agent. What's /review? For example, add a comment with the following text and the agent will respond with a review. Oh, they're different. Oh, it reviews your PR. Oh, you have to. Oh, you comment in the PR. Oh. So it doesn't make a PR. It just describes, reviews, improves, or generates labels on PR. Oh, I was hoping it made the
Check
PR.
it out when you get a chance.
I don't
Has
have
some
any
interesting
PRs.
features. Live context stuff.
That's still pretty cool
etc.
though. Okay. We can check it out now quickly since I don't think we will do Codium PR-Agent because I don't have any PRs. Unless I was hoping it could make a PR. Can it make a PR? Can it make a PR? Or is just AI powered tool for automated analytics? Okay, yeah.
Programming portfolio for myself and
PRS.
set programming for ages. Just
Need to use I.
Nice. Build the automation in Langflow for your PRs. Langflow to trigger the Codium agent, or do it all within Langflow? Dude, check this out. Okay, back to Chat LLM. I've asked it earlier this stream to create an agent that can read and send emails on my behalf, and it looks like it's gone through and created all the code for the tools it needs to access and do my email stuff, but it actually needs, well, it's asking for my email address and password, and it's going to do it through IMAP. I wonder if that'll work. I was thinking we could authenticate with Google, but if we do it with Google, we'd have to actually go through the Cloud Console and
if you click on the notebook in the left sidebar, you can interact with that too.
notebook in the left sidebar. Is this where the code gets stored? Looks like it's like doing a lot of stuff by itself, which is cool. I hate the tools where you have to constantly interact with it. Sweet, it tests itself. Test agent. Give me information about Apple Pro. Okay. Oh, this is an example notebook. Alright, we'll let that continue. Looks like it's trying to do stuff.
That's where the build and stuff goes.
Let's check out Pieces OS. What is that? Oh, I definitely spelled it wrong. pieces for the. Oh, I actually have seen this. Yeah, I've seen this ages ago. I haven't seen Copilot Plus
Hey, do you
though.
have TTS? Yai oi 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 ya yai oi oi ya.
Yes, I do have TTS on for now. Could turn it off. Okay, save, generate, enrich, extract, reference, share. Yeah. Pieces seemed okay.
They've
Whoa.
updated quite a bit.
They've
Has
updated quite a
live
bit.
context, a Chrome extension, etc.
Pretty cool. It just seemed like too. I don't know. It could be good. Probably won't go through the effort of trying it, but like there's so many tools. Like yeah, Replit agent as well. Can this like run commands and stuff? Command terminal. Or it just changes code. Their website makes me lag. I'll add it to my list. Because I don't think it's on the list. Let's see. Coding tool.
Hey techfren, I am not really following the scene anymore.
Oh.
Any must see? I am using Claude and quite happy with it. Is there anything which you would say is a really important tool?
Depends what kind of stuff you do. Like if you're doing coding, I'd say you could definitely get a lot more productivity if you use something like Cursor or Aider with Claude Sonnet instead of using Claude Sonnet on the web app, if that's what you're doing, and copying pasting. I think copying pasting, you know, is slows you down quite a lot compared to using like one of the tools that actually will edit the code for you.
I am just coding. Nothing
Just coding,
special.
yeah.
Okay, Aider and
Cursor. And they haven't documented it, but if you do end up using Cursor, Cursor is like
engineer to man.
Cursor's
okay, thanks.
GPT Engineer too. Yeah, GPT Engineer is great as well, and they just opened up their web app, but yeah, I actually haven't tried GPT Engineer's CLI in a while. Could be good too. Yeah, but if you do use Cursor, make sure to use the composer mode, which they don't have any documentation on, but you use it with like Control I or Control Shift I. I think you need to pay for the pro. Sorry, pro version for that as well. Okay, I think this engineer says it's finished. Whoa, I accidentally zoomed out heaps. What did it say?
When have used Cursor, I find the code is writes is buggy as hell, and it completes the task too early.
Yeah, doesn't work all the time. Content for newbies, not so much, but there are, if you want to learn like this kind of stuff, like the technical aspect, I do have a link for Scrimba, which I think has a good amount of courses from like noob to pro. And I have like an affiliate link on techfren.net in quick links. Oh, I removed the thing. Wait, why is this loading here? Oh, yeah, interesting. That's not meant to be here. But yeah, if you click learn software engineering, there's some noob level content.
Thank you.
All good, man. Hope you learn what you need. Looks like our agent has successfully moved to the completed state, which means it's ready for use. However, we encountered an error when executing the agent. We've successfully created an agent that can process email-related queries. Here are some example queries. How can I organize my inbox? What's the best way to handle? Can you help me draft a... Doesn't look like it actually has access to my email. It didn't ask about which Email provider. So I think the email thing is a bit out of scope for it, for an agent.
Techfren for all the efforts. Do you know some local OS agents?
Local OS agents, the only kind of one I know of is Open Interpreter. All the other OS agents don't work with local LLMs. Yeah, as far as I know, I don't really know of many others, to be honest. But local LLMs are still pretty not there yet, like not good at doing much. So even with Open Interpreter, I think local LLMs aren't that great, especially the ones that I can run.
I believe it should be able to do it, maybe not one shot, but it should be able get really damn close if not completed.
Oh, you think so? So we can kind of. So you think the code will be in the notebooks? Let's have a look. Did it do anything about emails in here? I don't see any email related code in here. Feature groups, features, that's also empty. What's this? Agents, simple email. So it creates multiple agents within the project. That's pretty cool. Agent version. Oh, edit agent code. Okay, so each agent has its own code. Let's have a look at this. Update. No, this doesn't look like it did any of the actual email like tools. Unfortunately. But yeah, I think I'll look into it offline and come back to it. Thoughts on the Reflection 70B? Very cool idea if they can actually improve like the reasoning and stuff with
it's a bunch of advanced shit too.
With the reflection idea, I think is awesome. It makes so much sense to have it constantly like look back at the code, look back at what it said and make it more confident in what it's saying, because right now it seems a lot of these LLMs they like double down on stuff even if it's wrong. They kind of take what they said as fact. So if we can overcome this with a method like reflection, I think that's awesome. Unfortunately,
you set each agent to do specific task: read email, comprehend email, classify.
Oh, cool. So it makes individual agents for specific tasks. That's sick. But yeah, sorry, for reflection, it seems that the hosted version is actually kind of broken at the moment. AI Code King's video on reflection. Should we quickly watch it? Yeah, apparently I've been following Matt Schumer on X, and he says that the hosted versions of reflection are like kind of broken. Like they don't really do the reflection stuff properly, and I can't run reflection 70B locally, so I haven't actually tested it. Probably had a live stream from YouTube and Twitch to TikTok. From YouTube and Twitch to TikTok, I think you can use like TikTok Live Studio and like just stream your screen and just have the YouTube full screen. You tested it and it wasn't much better than Llama 70B. Yeah. Which AI is the best for coding? You mean like which LLM or which AI tool? Which LLM is an easy answer. It's Claude Sonnet. Which AI tool is a hard answer because it's very subjective. It's on Ollama. Yeah. But even the yeah. I feel like you need a pretty good GPU to run these 70B models now. At least at a decent quantization.
What the reflection tuning method proposes is that first, the LLM thinks about how it should answer the question. Then,
See his conclusion.
This tells us is that it isn't on par with Claude, GPT-4o, or any of the models they claim it rivals. Although this is a good model, it has many limitations.
Yeah, on their benchmarks, they said like they're pretty good with like MMLU and a bunch of other things compared to like the state-of-the-art models like Sonnet and GPT-4o. But in reality, no one's really kind of seen that. But it could be, as I said, like the hosted versions are broken, so giving Schumer the benefit of the doubt. But we'll see. I think it's still like early to give a good enough judgment on it. You hate the rate limit on Claude Sonnet? If you're using the API, try use it with OpenRouter. If you're using the web app, try use Abacus, Chat LLM. Those are two ways to get around the limits of Sonnet. Okay. What's the difference between LLM to AI? LLM is like defined. It's a large language model. It's the models that have weights. It's the weight of the models and probably the code to run it that can generate tokens, pretty much. Generate text, large language models. AI is not very well defined. It's quite broad. It can mean a different thing to a different person. For some, when someone says AI, they think like a robot that's kind of like a human. To some, when you say AI, it could be like a computer vision model. I don't know. It could be an LLM. It's not very like well defined. That's what my rag does, or it straight up lies instead of hallucinate. Yeah. Abacus also got usage limits? Yeah, it does, but I think its limits are a lot better than like Claude's base limit. Okay. I think that's everything that chat wanted. So I'm just gonna go through. I was gonna go through Discord, catch up on stuff. Shout out Terminally Lazy. They've been posting heaps of links that we've missed out on. So when was I streamed like 4 days ago? So pretty much from here. I think I did say GPT Engineers Live. Oh yeah, Gemini submission. Let's watch some Gemini videos. The people's choice for Gemini is running now, so you can vote on people's projects like my own. And yeah, let's watch some. Start voting. Here we go. Okay. So on desktop they give you free options. On mobile I only saw one. Check out syllable and corresponding spelling, turning memes into powerful learning tools. Simplify US immigration. Let's go with the meme app. Let's have a look.
Why is it so boring? Technology is changing rapidly, and the inclusion of AI in education was just a touch away until now. We are excited to present to you a revolutionary step in the field of education by leveraging the power of AI to transform the way you learn. Technology has been growing at a very fast rate.
Are they going to show the app?
Codium is not just an AI learning companion. It's a revolution in the field of education. By combining the processing power of AI with the engaging nature of memes, we have created a unique and effective learning tool. We are excited to see how Codium will transform your learning experience.
Okay. Dog chat. Copilot for website scaling, video summary, Twinkle Tails, combat climate change, graphite editor, gluten impossible, think instead of me shuffling, there was actually heaps posted in the chat that people liked. Predator, I think this is just a meme. Chat brain. Oh, it's just a UI wrapper for Gemini. We've got some good critics in the chat, but I think they posted some that like, this was sick. I'm gonna find that here. This one is 10 hours. No, people posting long videos. Please vote for my project. Okay, well, shout out to Nail Cutter.
This is my video submission for the Gemini API competition. I have made
Nexus GPT has an entry.
Planty.
Didn't realize it was built on Gemini. I don't think it is, but you can choose Gemini as an LLM. Shout out the link for my project. Just go on any of the projects and then type clickholus -cage. I think that'll work. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think I quickly looked at this. It like takes a look at your plans.
The plant button takes you to where all intelligent and cost-efficient robots.
Tell you the plant name, the plant health. It's pretty cool, man. I had a similar thing in 2017. Garden space. Jayu, shout out Jayu. Okay, I like this one. Here we go. AR enabled smart cardboard plastic toys for children. Oh, sick. Alright, that's cool. Not sure why Gemini disqualified your slot bot. What was your slot bot? Let's re-enable TTS here. Okay, what other links do we have? Another text to full stack app. Oh yeah, AC1. People were really liking AC1.
Morning, techfren.
Did I put it on my rubric? Yo, good morning, Buzzati. What's up? I woke up in a new Buzzati. I didn't. But yeah, people were saying AC1 was really good. It's another text to full stack app, which is pretty impressive. And it looks like it's free, is it? I don't know. I can't remember. I didn't use it. I think Termin and the Lazy did. Bazooka did. You gotta check out Lexi Reedy's. Oh yeah, and it's nice. Yeah, that's some Flash's project as well. Do we have it? Do I have it in my... People were saying you don't even show the demo, but is that true? I don't think I saw the video. Oh nice, it's only a minute. Oh no, you have the demo. Or not. This is like a PowerPoint. Built with none. Bro. You didn't make the video? Yeah. That's what the other part, that's what Flash said as well, I think. Did they? Feel like you could have done a better video. Open source editor Lapsy. Lightning fast and powerful code editor, another thing like Z it seems. Except it's on Windows. Built-in Rust, lightning fast, batteries included, built-in terminal, WASI plugin, Vim like. Not any exciting features. Nemo agent. Agent with Nemo, I guess. Just tried this. It wrote a lot of code, but failed to test it. I've seen that before. GPU, CPP,
Nemo
cartwheel.
Agent looks super cool.
You think Nemo Agent looks cool? Cartwheel does text to animation, which is pretty cool. Like, we've had text to 3D, but we haven't really had like specific animations you could do.
Cartwheel is way too cool.
But it's not like public yet. I think a bunch of us signed up for the waitlist, but yeah. Make expressive labels. OMG. Like, they seem like really nice animations. It'd be sick if you could just type anything and download an editable animation with any model you upload. I'm not sure if you can upload the models or how it works exactly, but it's definitely a tool.
Great for game dev.
Yeah, oh yeah, exactly. For game dev, this would be so good. I'd love a tool like this for game dev. Because then we have the whole pipeline. Here we go. Here's some examples. Boxing, waltz, karate, axe kick. If these were all generated from an English prompt, that's so sick. Walk like a zombie. Like, they look so good. But I'm not sure. You can't really tell how much of it is like cherry picked and smoke and mirrors and not real and just there to make the demo look impressive. So yeah, it's good to be skeptical, but if it is as good as we want it to be, it would be amazing, an amazing tool to have. And this one, a new Y Combinator company that does code-based wide edits, like a lot better, well, really fast or really efficiently or whatever. They say, we're integrating our agent directly. It's able to make changes across a massive code base. Below, it's writing a feature in the cal.com code base, which is over 1 million lines long at the time of writing. So if you can give it one, I'm not sure, I haven't looked into it, and they don't really have much info.
The email template structure to Gmail on my idea with GPT Engineer.
Email template structure to Gmail? I'm not sure what you mean. But yeah, if this tool works without you having to specifically like tell it which files it needs, and it's just able to do things across a big code base, that would be sick. Sorry, TikTok is nagging me here. There you go, TikTok. But yeah, unfortunately they don't have like any information. I mean, we could try. Whoa, how did I do that? Oh, this is sick. You can do this in terminal? Hold on. I accidentally opened. I have no idea how I did that or how to close it. Oh, there we go. It's Windows tilde. Oh, that's sick. I love that feature, having the terminal up the top. You guys can't see the end, but that's cool. That's a happy accident. Yeah, I couldn't find. I mean, I didn't actually try to look. What are they called? Random Labs. I did sign up for the form, but oh, it's still there. Someone said that they took down the waitlist, but it's still here. Random Labs. Do they have? Doesn't look like they have a website. Randomlabs.ai. Yeah, I don't think there's much info on them. Oh, I don't think this is them. Yeah, I don't think, yeah, there's no real info on them except for this Y Combinator post.
FFS, the amount of similar crap coming out of EEC is kind of sad, really.
No, it's good. I mean, it's obvious where they're trying to invest, and yeah, coding AI is one of them, and that's something I'm excited about, so I can't blame them. Can't blame them at all. All right. Oh yeah, Open Interpreter. Oh, we got another vote for Open Interpreter and Aider for things. They just released a new update and a new app, actually. Actually, have a look at this. Let me show you guys. They did a house party. Shout out to Mike Bird for recording it. They have a really nice app you can get from the App Store and link with the O1 server.
It's gonna be pretty.
I know this is late, but just sign up to Cartwheel. Thanks for that info.
To where? Cartwheel. Oh, no worries. I hope we all get in. It's not that late. I thought they have a very big sign up list. Alright, let's try find the demo. Yeah, looks like Killian's about to demo.
So let me know if you can hear this.
Can you hear this? It's pretty soft. I downloaded this sound booster, but I don't think it works very well.
Oh, maybe we don't have screen sharing permissions.
Oh, I think it did.
Your phone is the thing, so we can focus it on that screen when it's.
Yeah, it's the app.
Is the app?
They can hear you better in China now only.
This is the front page of the app. Screenception. Again, I want you to be thinking about this not only as the O1 app preview and something you can play with, but for folks that are out here, and I know there's a lot of you that are trying to build things like this, this is an app that we're open sourcing, and this is an app that you can white label. So this is as simple, we made it as minimal as we possibly could, but all this is going to do is it's going to connect to an agent that can control my computer, and there is a lot of incredible things that can be built on top of that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get my terminal up. And start the LiveKit server. So I'm running O1 -- server LiveKit. And that's all the docs for this will be out there. Yeah, it's a tiny thing, but
so this is
much easier to read when it's in the documentation.
Server that runs on a computer
with the O1. So when you run
and like interprets natural language to like code and commands it can run.
The LiveKit server, which has a QR code.
And now they're going to connect to it with the app.
You can hold the white circle below to speak to me. Try asking what I can do.
This is the O1 app. We have the classic button right here if we want to talk to it, and also you can chat with it at the bottom. Beautiful settings page, and you'll see there's a pretty cool setting there. Always listen for context. Wearable mode. If this thing was on a smartwatch, this just puts it as a full screen this, so it could sit there like a Star Trek communicator. So, hey, can you hear me? Oh, I need to turn on the Open Interpreter server. Oh, don't see my password. RTC server. Defaults to boot up the running if you can expect it takes.
Skip to the demo.
So one thing that we've been when you hold.
I don't actually hear or
okay.
Sense. I process text input.
Can you open Discord? Okay, Open Interpreter has received it. So you can see this is just the same as anybody who's building agents that has this kind of thing. It's just going to be, oh, there we go. Open Discord.
Can't hear anything, dead air, dead air.
Can you
really?
View the screen and tell me what's on it?
Good. He's just not talking much.
I apologize for the misunderstanding.
That's okay.
Let me check the screen for you right away.
Can't hear what's coming from your device.
How can I make Abacus account? Request invite.
You're in a voice channel called September House Party with.
Don't know how to make an Abacus account? I can actually refer you. I think I get money or some shit. Hold on, let me check. Refer friends. Here. Use my referral link, Victor.
3 speakers and 78 audience members.
Whoa!
Main speakers visible
we saw
are
you.
Killian, Ben, and Bird. The Discord server appears to be for...
Yeah, so it's kind of like one of those Jarvis operating system type controlling things, but they've created kind of like a server for it that you can connect to externally with an app, and they're using like ngrok, so theoretically you could externally connect to it outside of the network as well, if you choose to set it up that way, which is pretty cool. And like, I'm not sure if you guys saw the O1 demo before, but like they're outdoors and they're like,
by Discord here link is high.
Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, Victor, what's your name on Discord? I just posted in general chat. Anyway, oh, there you go. Thanks, Victor. All right. Okay, that was, yeah, O01 or Open Interpreter, and Aider. I'm definitely going to be making a lot more content on Aider since I have finally reached the limit on my my Claude subscription, Cursor subscription. Do you get free fast credits? Actually, it's a good thing to test. Let's test now. So my Cursor subscription ran out. I'm pretty sure Composer is a pro only. Yeah, I only get okay, you get 50 requests for the premium on the free tier. That's pretty cool. Can I use the in Composer? It looks like I can open it at least. Yeah, because they don't have any documentation on the Composer whether it's free or not, so I wasn't sure. Might keep my usage though. Yeah. I have this idea to kind of link O1, Open Interpreter, and Aider.
Agent 0 updates.
Agent 0 updates? Let's have a look. "7 hours ago." That's pretty recent. Do they have a features list?
Added a UI.
Oh yeah, they added a UI. Do they have a video or something?
And welcome.
Installation guide. UI. Okay, second update. Nice. Shout out to, I forgot their name, the developer. Jan. I should be following them for, yeah, Agent 0, posting videos as well. I am following.
And other enhancements.
Hello,
I
guys.
think a dude
The new
merged a
version of
better
Agent
web
0
scraper
is being
yesterday.
released, so let's jump into
Oh,
the
sweet.
updates. The biggest one being the new web UI prototype.
Oh my god, this guy's voice is even lower.
I'll tell my agent to create
Okay,
an
nice. That
Ethereum
volume
with
boost actually worked.
30 zeros and give me the key and the address.
He's still so soft though.
First, I will see this blue message box with the agent generating these instructions. I can see he wants to use the code execution tool with a code, and I can see his thoughts, and I can still see the original.
Nice. This UI looks really nice.
Tool to send a response, and the pause.
Some dudes also made a UI for Open Interpreter. I think it was called OpenPL, but I think they've changed it. I haven't actually watched their latest demo, but they demoed it as well. Let's have a look.
I still have yet to see anything close to Agent 0 aside from Open Interpreter.
Yeah.
Really get very consistent results trying to accomplish tasks. So what I'll be showing off is what we did last time. We had it check our Gmail inbox and make us a calendar event, I think. So if you were here last time, it took us 3 or 4 tries before we got it to work. We had to close it, reopen it, struggle to get that working. And if all goes well, it should go ahead and work first time. So let's try it out. Let's ask it to check my email. And you can see here, it's calling the check inbox skill. So now it should follow our predefined like advice, our step-by-step instructions, and execute. Proper code. Sorry, James, you were saying something?
I was going to say we've got the skills running consistently enough to where we think the limitation is now the model. We've got some skills like 99 times out of 100 working, some skills like 9 out of 10. And we've also got this to where you can be a non-coder and
Oh,
you
my
can
camera.
build these skills. It's not going to be as simple as, hey, save that as a skill. That's step one. You're going to have to go in and tweak when it fails and all that stuff. There'll still be a little bit of a human skill involved. But we've got anybody who wants to play with this and build skills. We've got a system built out now to where you can build a skill, you can share the skill with other people, and you can even get it to where it will only use skills and not do anything if it's not something you've taught it to do. So if you want a more
What is this
locked-down
platform?
Great question.
incredible.
It
This looks
was
really
called.
good,
Oh,
guys.
sweet, my camera
So
worked.
we
Let me see if I can find it. It was called OpenPL, and I did star it, but I think they changed their names.
AI is going to go bust, but machine learning and deep learning are going to be important.
I'd say machine learning and deep learning is just like a subset of AI. Oh yeah, I was thinking of replacing Shell GPT with LLM, but that's kind of like a small thing. Okay. It might be this human script.
So Open Interpreter does what Claude Dev and Cursor does and edits files?
It can edit files, but I think that's kind of like a weakness. It has its efficiency in like editing code. Open Interpreter is more better at like executing scripts for one-time use, I'd say. Just default out of the box. And it's really good at like incorporating with like local models or other models. And running like commands and stuff. Like I can like it's really nice. I think I can quickly show you like a demo of Open Interpreter here. Like you can, let me see if I can run it. Interpreter. I'm not sure what model it's gonna use. Probably
Yes,
GPT-4.
AI as a complete concept doesn't work. Machine learning and deep learning are more focused.
GPT-4 Turbo. Okay, it's gonna be expensive, but probably effective. What's a good use case? Like
Hyperwrite or self-operating computer?
So, what GitHub project is it?
Oh, it's I'm pretty sure it's human script. Right? Yeah. This project uses Open Interpreter. Yeah, this is it. APAS human script. Now their README is a bit lacking. Oh, here we go. Clone a repository. Run the installer. Set up the virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment. Configure your assistant. Run your assistant. Okay, it was pretty simple. Let's have a look at their config py. Settings. I mean SRC settings. Config.
Apex human script?
Apex human script? ABEPAS. ABEPASS/human script, yeah.
Damn, so much AI code editors out there.
Yeah, there are. I count. This is definitely not even all of them, but I got like 46. Permission to run code. Oh, okay. They didn't ship the email skill. Maybe they have it in a branch. No. See if they had the email skill. But yeah, I think this is pretty much just like a UI for Open Interpreter in a way, I guess. It's probably more than that. Open Interpreter integration, customizable knowledge base, wake word recognition. That's actually sick. chat memory, versatile applications, user-friendly. It's the wake word. Did they? Let's watch their video again. Oh, where'd they go?
We can see it's worked first try here. Now it's just going to read my inbox and then give me a formatted response for the emails in my inbox. Right now, this works in our testing 9 times out of 10. It's pretty easy to make a skill. I can go ahead.
So when is it going to use my brain as a vector
I'll go ahead
store?
and show you the process of making a skill, just to show everyone how easy
When
it
Neuralink
is.
gets better.
And we think that this will
Walking
really
rag.
open up the possibilities alongside the knowledge bases for people to get things working again and again and again.
Yeah, this is sick. I think keep an eye on it. I don't think it's like
What
ready for me to
size
recommend.
of token memory does it have?
What size of token memory does it have? It really depends on what model. Like, that's a good question. I'm not sure about human script, but Open Interpreter at least is model agnostic. So, yeah, it depends on the what model you use. Okay. Aider, I don't think had any big upgrades. Like, I haven't really talked about it all month, so I think I'm gonna do like a dedicated. Like, they have the chat mode. I guess we can look in the Discord announcements. They have chat mode, which is pretty cool. I think that's definitely something that doesn't really exist in the same way in Cursor. Like, they have chat in Cursor, but like the Cursor chat still tries to edit code, whereas the chat mode in Aider is pretty good at just chatting about the code without writing code, if that makes sense. Save you some tokens on output. Subtree only. You can paste images from clipboard with a command. Yeah, chat mode. Specifically request a
So
code
what
if you're
size
in
of
ask mode.
projects it can handle?
Which one? Human script? I don't know. I think that's a tough question as well. It depends on the model. Depends what you're trying to do. But if it's using like a RAG system for knowledge base, like that scales pretty well. Like, you can have gigabytes of knowledge, and it hopefully, if it works well, it only accesses the right knowledge when it needs to. Oh yeah, caching. I mean, that's kind of been a while, but Paul was pretty quick to
Dan does great
remove that.
videos using Aider, and who I learned about Cursor from like almost 2 years ago.
Yeah, Indie Dev Dan is great. I think he's really good at not overselling things like some of the other channels do as well. Like, he's pretty honest and authentic, and he goes in pretty deep with the tech. So yeah, I love Indie Dan Dev's content for sure. Indie Dev Dan. I always say Dan Dev, but yeah, Indie Dev Dan. Yeah.
What are the skills about?
Skills? Yeah, so Open Interpreter has skills where, let's see if, I don't think there's any examples. Pretty much they're Python scripts, and you can, instead of, so how Open Interpreter normally works is it'll write a script every time you ask it to do something. Let's
Are
try it out.
skills like tools?
Yeah, exactly.
I just discovered Ray Fernando. I think
Interpreter,
he's great too. Can it not write its own?
Ray Fernando? I haven't seen that. Yeah, so Interpreter, yeah, like Agent Zero, like that's one of their things, right? It writes its own skills every time, and Interpreter does that too. But the cool thing about having skills is like it's predefined, and it might be something that Interpreter doesn't think by itself, or it just removes that bit of randomness, undeterminism. So you can have like profiles in Interpreter and like define skills in there. So for instance, like I have an idea to use Interpreter with Aider. I think that would be really cool because I think like Aider does a better job.
Dev, now does live AI coding videos.
Oh, sick.
They're really good.
I'll definitely check out Ray Fernando. Are they on YouTube? Oh, I think I have seen this. Oh no, I haven't.
Open Interpreter in wearables.
Oh, he does live streams
It's this
mostly.
tool in GitHub called Nugget which can change iPhone model name, set a battery charge limit.
Cool.
His live section is good.
His live section, okay, yeah.
LOL that voice.
Yeah. Open interpreter and wearables, what do you mean? It does, so the open interpreter has like the O1 device, which is their variable. Which is just like a
How
small
many
push to
agents
talk
can
button.
exist at a time?
100 years. Humanity.
How many agents can exist at a time? In general? A lot.
Okay.
Billions. Yeah, this is their demo.
Did.
Great, what's next?
Hit command.
Do it now?
Recent paper dude
So,
had
I need to-
1,000 agents.
The Climate Pledge Arena.
That's perfect. Can you add that to my calendar and then copy and paste the link to the ticket into the calendar event?
So they're like talking through this device to their computer and telling it like, you know, open this app, send this email, add this to my calendar, and it's like doing that stuff for it. That's like the vision. It's pretty cool. Yeah. I think I'm gonna wrap up the stream pretty soon, but yeah, pretty much the main thing you guys should know is if
so
you
they
want.
all can run with limited memory.
Yeah. I don't think there's such thing as infinite memory, but RAG gets pretty close. Yeah, I'm building a free app for a viewer probably next stream. So submit your ideas on techfren.net and hopefully we can pick yours. I'm gonna pick.
Do you know any GitHub script that generates subtitles for free?
Subtitles for free? I don't use any, but yeah, there's definitely
that?
some. Yo, Flashwebby, what's up?
What's that form?
The form is for ideas, for me
Free
to create your
Pinnacle
app.
is 20 gigabytes of vector space.
So just go into it, put your app idea, submit. Oh, I should have made this multiple lines. Let's see if we got any submissions. Forms. Here. Let's see also if I can edit this to be paragraph. Okay, sweet. 2 responses. Okay, one of them was me. And
Can
terminally
it
lazy.
execute code in any language?
No code builder. Create a flow where an agent creates its own tools, equips, and uses the tools. Using a no code builder, create. So you pretty much want me to create agent 0 without coding. Or using a node builder. Would you count like Aider and Cursor as one of those, or not really? That's a pretty cool idea. Can it execute code in any language? Yeah. Yeah, pretty much, I think. Let's see. What? Pick a language, Hummingbird.
You seen Cerebros?
Just curious if you can do it with
I've
a
seen the
no-code builder.
Cerebros model. Yeah, I'm not sure. I haven't really tried many of them. Mathematica.
Japanese.
Run a sample script
Mathematica.
in Mathematica. I don't think it can execute Japanese code. Well, like Japanese isn't a coding language, rather. Mathematica. Oh my god. Run sample Mathematica code. Currently, there isn't direct support for running Mathematica code on the provided toolset. Okay, so no, it can only run Python, JavaScript, Ruby, and others.
Have you ever used Olomai model?
I think it could because it can run any terminal command. So it's saying it'll have to install Wolfram engine, which I guess it could do, but I don't really want to go down that. Have I used Olama?
But if I have the tools,
I have used Olama. Yeah, if you have a Wolfram engine, it could definitely, I reckon, run. If it's something you can run in your terminal, Open Interpreter can probably do it. Yeah. Yeah, cool. All right. We're gonna end stream here, I think. I did make a video on it, but yeah, clickerless cage also is updated. Released. Actually, it's probably like, I think the latest version is probably on the web store now as well. Let's have a look.
Can you
does it say
estimate
what-
the amount of code lines
No,
per
it's
minute?
Code lines per minute? Okay, let's say if you're using Sonnet, which I think is the best coding model, lines per minute would be somewhere along, I reckon it can do like 1.5 lines per, maybe like 2 lines per second. So that would be 120 lines of code per minute would be my estimation. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for
Just
watching.
typing to see if I get the rugged Brooklyn guy voice. Next stream on Tuesday or Wednesday.
Who is that? Blizzardi, unfortunately,
Okay, peace,
the cool
techfren.
voices are only on TikTok.
Thanks,
Next stream, I'm not
techfren.
sure. Not sure when next stream is, but I'll let you know in the Discord for sure.
Which means it can handle 20,000 lines of code.
Yeah, it could definitely probably handle 20,000. I think so. No, not efficiently, but 20,000 is a lot. I'm
KK
not
peace.
Peace, y'all.
You have not chosen my code into Ada, and I have found problem.
Thank you, Clarted. Thank you guys so much.
Later, AJ.
Never gonna give you up.